something that we've had in Beacon for a while now is the ability to do a stocking order. And we've created the initial version of this to meet specific needs of medical device manufacturers who have to not only sell stock directly to the hospital, but also maintain a record of that stock being used in cases after it's already been sold. One of the things that we realize is that a lot of our customers do direct sale. And so we've modified or created an additional feature inside the stocking order to allow you to do that. And basically what that does is it allows you to do a direct sale to a hospital, and then it depletes the inventory immediately because at that point you don't really care what the hospital is doing with the inventory after you sold it to them. You don't bear responsibility for tracking that information. So um, this is a pretty straightforward feature. So we click stocking order. We're going to create a new event. I'll just pick a rep here. Let's see. We'll do stocking order 12, 23, 24. We'll pick the facility, and this is all very straightforward information. Um, we're going to pick this contact, and then we're going to use, let's just say we'll use the Q on this one, and then the product lines are going to be Intrafix. And then so now basically what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll mark devices that we're going to use inside of this case, right? And so I'm just going to pick a couple devices. I'm going to mark them as used, and then really where the change happens is in the submit for billing, we have now some checkboxes. One of the checkboxes is direct sale. So you basically want to just check that this is a direct sale. And essentially what it means is exactly that. You're doing a direct sale to the hospital. It's going to mark the devices and deactivate those devices, deplete them from your inventory. Those of you familiar with the current stocking order, which is still an option, it turns that inventory into inventory facility stock so that it can then be marked in cases without being sold twice sort of in the future. So that's a much more complicated proposition. Your company may not need to track that information. And so to do the direct sale, you just click direct sale, you get the representative signature, you submit for billing. And then that inventory is depleted, having been sold to that manufacturer, and then you have a record of the sale inside of Beacon itself.